Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPad and tap Bluetooth to start. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and visible to nearby devices. Put your keyboard on a flat surface and charge it until the battery shows at least 20%. Check the keyboard manual for a dedicated pairing button or switch. Keep the iPad and keyboard within 3-5 feet and avoid other Bluetooth interference. Close other unused apps to minimize wireless congestion during the pairing attempt. Locate the keyboard pairing button or switch and press it firmly. Hold the pairing button for about 5 seconds until an LED starts blinking. The blinking LED indicates the keyboard is discoverable by Bluetooth devices. On some keyboards, the switch will display a Bluetooth icon instead of an LED. Return to the iPad Bluetooth screen and wait for the keyboard name to appear. If your iPad displays a numeric PIN, type it on the keyboard and press Enter to complete the authentication. When the keyboard name appears under other devices, tap it to connect. Complete the connection within 30 seconds or repeat the pairing steps if it times out. After pairing, the iPad will show the keyboard as connected under My Devices. Open Settings, then General, then Keyboard to set layout and hardware preferences. Launch Notes or Mail to test typing, function keys, and shortcuts immediately. If keys behave incorrectly, unpair and select the correct keyboard layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.